Sa Manila, 90% ng uma-attend ng mga seminar namin, ang bayad 15,000, 50,000, may 200,000 pa kami. Gen Z. Kasi naintindihan nila to. Taking time to immerse yourself in this new mindset. Because if you don't really understand this, baka hindi kayo tumodo. Narinig nyo lang, happy yan, excited, tapos pagkabukas, busy ka na naman. If I ask you, you don't do this, nasaan ang buhay mo 10 years from now? Paakyat, palubog. Klarong-klaro yan. But if you do this every day, nasaan na buhay? Paakyat, palubog. Guaranteed. But you have to go full out. And that is required here. Second choice in life is what we call 50-50. Gagawin mo lang kung convenient. Gagawin mo lang kung may time. Gagawin mo lang kung madali. Pero pag nahirapan ka, wag na lang. Diba? Ganun naman eh. Sino dito? Part ng iyong plan ng losing weight is intermittent fasting. Narinig nyo na yun? Pero yung intermittent fasting, depende sa ulam. Diba? Akala ko fasting ka. Yung sarap naman ng ulam, oh. Bukas na lang. Diyan tayo nasisira eh. At alam mo saan tayo sirang-sira bilang Pilipino? Palabra de honor. Nasabi mo magda-diet na ako. Nasabi mo na yan. Tapos sabi ni, friend, buffet tayo. Libre ko. And are we only talking about dieting? We all know what to do in life except we easily forget our promises. Promises are made to be, but notice how automatic it is.